Hello! Welcome to a brand new era in beauty, where creativity meets simplicity and everyone can achieve a stunning look right at home. Today, we're diving into the 2025 beauty trend everyone's buzzing about, the lip lift hack. This isn't just another makeup trick, it's a movement that's changing how we think about our daily routines and self-expression. The lip lift hack is all about making your lips look fuller, more defined, and giving your smile a subtle, lifted effect. It's a way to enhance your natural beauty, highlight your features, and bring out your confidence with just a few easy steps. What makes this trend so special? It's not just a passing fad, it's practical, easy, and makes your lipstick last longer than ever before. Whether you're a makeup pro or a total beginner, you'll find this hack simple to master. Forget about complicated gadgets or scary procedures. The lip lift hack uses clever techniques with makeup you already own. No need to buy expensive tools or book salon appointments, just a few products and a little know-how. Think of it as sculpting, but for your lips, a few simple tweaks can make a huge impact. You'll learn how to contour, highlight, and define your lips to create a look that's uniquely yours. The lip lift hack is about more than just looks. It's about boosting your confidence and saving precious time. Whether you're heading to the shops, a big event, or just want to feel your best every day, this hack fits seamlessly into any routine. We'll guide you step by step, showing you how to get that perfect, long-lasting pout with minimal fuss. You'll discover tips and tricks that make your lips pop and your smile shine, all while keeping things easy and fun. Ready to become your own lip artist? With just a few products and a little practice, you'll be amazed at the transformation you can achieve. So grab your makeup bag, gather your favorite lip products, and let's get started on this fun, confidence-boosting journey together. You don't need to be a professional. Just bring your enthusiasm and a willingness to try something new. By the end of this chapter, you'll have mastered a look that's not only beautiful, but also durable. Perfect for any occasion, from morning coffee runs to glamorous nights out. The best part? This trend is for everyone. No expertise required, no age limits, and no boundaries. Anyone can join in and see amazing results. Let's jump in and see what the lip lift hack can do for you. Get ready to unlock a new level of self-expression and discover just how easy it is to put your best face forward. Your best, brightest smile is just a few simple steps away. Let's make it happen together. So, what exactly is the lip lift hack? If you've been scrolling through beauty feeds or watching makeup tutorials lately, you've probably seen this trend pop up everywhere. But what's behind all the buzz? And why are so many people obsessed with it? At its core, the lip lift hack is a clever set of makeup techniques designed to give your lips a fuller, more youthful appearance. It's not just about making your lips look bigger. It's about creating a lifted, vibrant look that lasts all day, no matter what you're up to. The real magic lies in the details. By using a lip liner to carefully reshape the Cupid's bow and extend the corners of your lips just a touch, you can completely transform your smile. This subtle tweak draws the eye upward, giving the illusion of a natural lift. Next, a dab of light concealer is added to the outer edges of the lips. This step is like a secret weapon. It brightens and lifts the entire mouth area, making your lips look perkier and your smile more defined. The goal isn't to change your lips completely, but to enhance what you already have. Think of it as a mini facelift for your mouth. No needles, no downtime, just a few strategic strokes of makeup. Unlike older trends that focused on a single product, like piling on gloss for shine or going all in with matte for drama, the lip lift hack is a complete system. It's about layering, definition from liner, volume from lipstick, and most importantly, long-lasting power from a finishing touch. The real game changer here is powder. By gently pressing a bit of translucent powder over your lipstick, you set the color in place. This trick keeps your lips looking fresh and vibrant for hours, without that dry, cakey feeling. Imagine sipping your morning coffee or enjoying lunch with friends, and your lipstick still looks flawless. No more constant touch-ups or worrying about color fading away before noon. What's even better? This hack is practical, easy to master, and works for everyone, regardless of your lip shape, size, or skin tone. It's all about enhancing your natural beauty in a way that feels effortless. The process is thoughtful and intentional, layering products in a specific order to create a look that's not only beautiful, but also resilient. Each step builds on the last, ensuring your lips look their best from morning to night. That's why the lip lift hack is making waves in the beauty world. It's clever, effective, and truly transformative. No wonder it's become a staple for makeup lovers everywhere. Are you ready to see the lip lift hack in action and learn how to master it yourself? Let's break down each technique step by step so you can achieve that lifted, vibrant look every single day. Let's get hands-on with the powder through tissue method, a simple trick for long-lasting, vibrant lips. This technique is a favorite among makeup artists and beauty lovers alike because it's easy, quick, and delivers impressive results. If you've ever struggled with lipstick fading, smudging, or transferring onto cups and masks, this method is about to become your new go-to. Start by applying your favorite lipstick in an even coat. Take your time to outline your lips and fill them in completely, making sure the color is smooth and even from corner to corner. This first layer is the foundation for a bold, beautiful look. Blot with a single ply of tissue to remove excess oil. Gently press the tissue onto your lips. Don't rub. This step helps absorb any extra moisture or oils, which can cause lipstick to slip or fade throughout the day. Add a second layer of lipstick for depth and durability. This extra coat intensifies the color and ensures your lips look rich and vibrant, while also helping the lipstick last longer. Now, place another thin tissue over your lips. The tissue acts as a delicate barrier, allowing just the right amount of powder to reach your lips without disturbing the color or texture underneath. Using a fluffy brush, dust translucent powder over the tissue. Choose a lightweight, colorless powder for best results. The brush should be soft, so it distributes the powder evenly and gently. The tissue filters the powder, setting your lipstick without making it look cakey. This clever step locks in the color, reduces shine, and helps prevent smudging or feathering, so your lips stay flawless. This seals in color and keeps your lips looking fresh for hours. You'll notice less transfer onto cups, less fading, and a more polished finish that lasts through meals, meetings, and more. It works with almost any lipstick formula, creamy, satin, or matte. Whether you love a glossy finish or a bold matte look, this method enhances the staying power of your favorite shades. No special tools needed, just a tissue and powder. You don't need fancy products or expensive gadgets, just a few basics you probably already have at home. With a little practice, you'll have a professional, all-day lip look. Try it out a few times to find your perfect technique, and soon you'll be applying lipstick like a pro. Simple, effective, and anyone can master it. Whether you're a makeup beginner or a beauty enthusiast, this method is easy to learn and delivers real results. Give it a try and see your lipstick last like never before. You'll be amazed at how much longer your color stays put and how confident you'll feel with flawless lips all day long. Next up, the powder overliner method, perfect for sharp, defined lips that last. Start by carefully lining your lips, slightly overlining the Cupid's bow, and lifting the corners for that signature effect. Fill in your lips with the liner to create a strong base. Before lipstick, gently press translucent powder over the liner with a soft brush. This sets the liner, prevents smudging, and creates a non-slip surface for your lipstick. Apply your lipstick over the powdered liner. The result? Crisp edges, vibrant color, and serious staying power. This method is especially great for bold or dark shades. It's a pro trick that's easy to do at home. No more feathering or fading, just flawless lips all day. Try it for your next big event or night out. You'll love the difference. Before you start, prep your lips for the best results. Exfoliate gently with a lip scrub or soft toothbrush to remove dry skin. Hydrate with your favorite lip balm. Let it sink in for a few minutes. Blot away excess balm so your makeup stays put. Prime your lips with a dab of concealer or lip primer. This neutralizes your natural lip color and helps lipstick last longer. A smooth, hydrated base means your lip products glide on evenly and look flawless. These quick steps make a huge difference in the final look. Think of it as prepping your canvas before painting. Exfoliate, hydrate, prime. 3 easy steps for perfect lips. Now you're ready for the lip lift hack. Let's move on to the must-have products. Your masterpiece starts with great prep. The right products make all the difference for the lip lift hack. You'll need a creamy, long-wearing lip liner, something that glides on and defines. Choose a lipstick with a satin or matte finish for best results. Don't forget translucent finishing powder. It sets your look without heaviness. A light reflecting concealer, a shade or two lighter than your skin, is key for that lifted effect. These essentials are all you need, no fancy gadgets required. Pick shades and formulas that feel comfortable and suit your style. With these tools, you're ready for a flawless, long-lasting lip look. Let's talk color. Picking the right lipstick shade can transform your look, and the lip lift hack makes it pop even more. Start by figuring out your skin's undertone: cool, warm, or neutral. Check your wrist veins. Blue means cool, green means warm, both means neutral. Cool undertones? Go for blue-based reds, berry pinks, or plums. Warm undertones? Try orange reds, peachy pinks, or earthy browns. Neutral undertones? Lucky you, most shades will suit you. The right color enhances the lift and fullness effect. Experiment and see what makes you feel your best. Color is half the fun. Enjoy the adventure. Now, let's see how the pros rocked this trend. The lip lift hack had its big moment at the 2025 Oscars. Demi Moore's makeup artist used the powder over liner method for a flawless, lifted look that lasted all night. A touch of light concealer at the corners gave her smile that signature lift. Zoe Saldana's artist layered lipstick and gloss for a plump, dimensional effect. These red carpet moments proved the hack's power. Elegant, modern, and long-wearing. The Oscars spotlight turned this trend into a must-try for everyone. If it can survive the red carpet, it can handle your day. Ready to try it at home? Here's how to get started. Now it's your turn. Don't be intimidated, just have fun and experiment. Start simple. Practice prepping your lips, then try the powder through tissue method. Take your time and see what works for you. Adjust the steps to fit your style. Maybe add a dab of gloss or try a new liner shade. The lip lift hack is about creativity and confidence. There's no right or wrong, just what makes you feel great. Play with colors and products you already own. Each try builds your skills and confidence. Makeup is meant to be joyful. Enjoy the process. Soon you'll have your own signature lip look. You've got all the tools and tips you need. Give it a go and show off your best smile. You're ready for your own red carpet moment.